Hi Klaus, I will make you a tour of the car. As you can see, we will start with the documents. It's plenty of old documents from the previous owners, even the paychecks, all the documentation from 83, for example. The old thing that makes the vehicle like run in the streets, and lots of documents, yeah, from the old the insurance, all the insurance. It's full of documents from the previous owners. Then you can see the interior with the speakers, the natural leather. You have even charging ports, USB, and you can see that the voltage here hidden, so you can see any modern stuff, all covered in leather. Here you have for the cell phone, magnetic. You cannot see because but the cell phone stays there with the magnetics, the wooden steering wheel, heater system. This is not natural wood, it's the actual iron, but it seems like wood because I liked the look of this natural leather with the wood. Here you have also hidden the Bluetooth system, so you can attach the cell phone to the car and listen to the music while you drive. Everything works perfectly. All the switches are new. Everything, it's perfect. You have little things like this strip of leather and yeah, the door with the armrest, the handle. The roof is a bikini top, but then you have these things that rolls down. You can attach to the cover, the rear cover, and then you have here also with the rear window, so you can close the car. Here you have the back. I designed to sit down. You can sit down and just enjoy, have a sandwich or whatever with the stainless steel cables. Inside here you have the original bars to and also the original jack. The bars operates the jack, and also if something's broken in the engine, you can start the engine with the bars. Then you have a 12 volts port to attach I don't know, something like a inflator or a fridge, for example. The wheels, you have parabolic suspensions. All redone. This is the original plugs, but with a power coat. Windows, everything works perfectly. Very soft. Even the rear mirror has a light here, so during the night you can put the light on. The engine has been totally rebuilt. As you can see, it has only like 300 kilometers with a new alternator and everything redone. Even the diesel pump has been redone. Here you have the relays for the new lights and the fog lights. Now we will have a look down. You can see everything is redone. No leaks, new suspension. The gearbox also has been totally took apart and redone. Maybe in the other side we can see it better. Totally new, everything. Being restored. The car is totally awesome, as you can see. It's a night keeper. Everyone watches the car. Everyone wants to speak with you. It's from 72, but here we do have the. I liked, the from the 74 for transport, because it's an industrial car, as industrial was sailed in Spain in the 72. Okay, now I will close everything and we will take it on the road.